Happy Friday, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on February 6, 2026. For the general situation, a cold front moving through the region will bring cool temperatures and brisk winds across the Turks and Caicos Islands throughout the day. Pleasant and mostly dry weather is expected to continue through tonight as a dry air mass keeps rain chances very low. Special warnings. There remains a moderate to high risk of dangerous rip currents and rough surf along northern, western, and Atlantic shorelines of the island chain. Beachgoers and swimmers should avoid entering the water at this time. There remains a minor to moderate threat of beach erosion and coastal flooding for Atlantic-facing shorelines, especially in areas that have already been severely impacted this past week. Now taking a look at today's forecast, partly sunny skies today and then fair tonight. A small craft advisory is in effect. Winds are northwesterly at 15 to 20 knots, and seas are 3 to 5 feet in the Caicos Bank and 4 to 6 feet near shore, building up to 8 feet offshore in the Atlantic. Daytime high temperatures expected to rise to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, with an overnight low temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 5:41 p.m. The next low tide is at 5:05 p.m. Next high tide 11:32 p.m. Now taking a look into the weekend's forecast, a reinforcing cold front is expected to move off the northeast Florida coast early Saturday and reach the Turks and Caicos Islands by early Sunday, where it will stall and gradually weaken early next week. Breezy conditions and rough seas will persist into early next week. As high pressure builds behind the front, northerly winds will usher in cooler air, keeping temperatures on the cool side with generally stable dry weather conditions across the islands. Forecast for Saturday, isolated showers possible, partly sunny to sunny with a high near 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturday night, mostly fair with a low around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The small craft advisory will stay in effect through the weekend. Winds will be west to northwest at 10 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet in the Caicos Bank and 4 to 6 feet near shore, building up to 8 feet offshore in the Atlantic. Forecast for Sunday, isolated showers possible throughout the day, partly cloudy with a high near 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunday night, isolated showers possible, partly cloudy with a low around 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be northwest and north at 10 to 20 knots, and seas again 3 to 5 feet in the Caicos Bank and 5 to 8 feet near shore, building up to 10 feet offshore in northerly swells in the Atlantic. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Friday, the 6th of February by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Have a lovely weekend.